Okay, it's the 5th. We're doing this report about the storm tonight. Going to be a mixed bag for everybody. Um, as you can see, this is around 6 o'clock the evening. You can see there's temperatures to the north are below freezing, in between almost at freezing, but the storm hasn't started yet. We take this out to around midnight right here, and you can see for the most part everybody's gotten down to freezing or below. Again, Delaware and South Jersey, you're not quite there yet. Precipitation at this point in time will start to move in. You'll see here as it gets cold. Here comes your these pinks here are basically a are sleet, and there's some rain off the coast here in green. But we move this out to around 4 a.m. You can see it's snowing up here, Trenton and north, little sleet mixed in. Allentown, Reading, heading down towards Lancaster, Philadelphia, South Jersey, most of Delaware. It's sleet at this point in time. And again, I don't recommend travel. This takes you to around 5 a.m. You can see it's moving up a little bit. Snow's moved a little further up towards the northeast. Sleet's now the main thing through the area here. Some freezing rain in central New Jersey and southern New Jersey into central Delaware, and then rain south of that. And then as we get to around 5, I think this is the main, the heaviest part of it. You can see the darker colors out here. This is all sleet, all this pinkish color here. And this is heavier sleet, some pockets of heavy sleet over by Trenton here. So like I said, not a good travel. And then as you get to around 8 a.m., sleets move to the north. Now there's some freezing rain down here by Philly and Lancaster to add to the mix. So that makes it, and then again in New Jersey, you've had that mix and now you're into rain. Again, still going to be slippery. As we get to around 10, North New Jersey turns into sleet. Everybody begins to break up a little bit, but there's still some freezing rain, and most of New Jersey and Delaware is now into all rain. So travel may pick up then. This is noontime. You can see it raining in Philly and south and east, and then up towards Allentown, Reading, and northern New Jersey. It's freezing rain on top of all that sleet. And then by afternoon, this is around 3 o'clock, it's kind of moved away. All right, now your totals for this. Everybody gets a little bit of snow, maybe an inch or two. The blue areas here can get maybe two, a little over 2 inches, closer to three some spots, and it's where it hangs on. And again, temperature is very critical. A degree lower, and all the snow goes away, and it becomes sleet and freezing rain, more than snow. Sleet wise, you can see a lot of sleet. Delaware and Jersey, South Jersey, 2/10 of an inch of sleet. But as you get up here towards Philly and the suburbs, and you head north into North Jersey and into southwestern PA, sleet becomes a factor. And that's what's going to make travel very slippery. You're going to have that snow, then you're going to have the sleet. I mean, it's just not good. Here's an inch of sleet up here. I guess this is closer to Quakertown, out that way. And then when you get to the freezing rain part of it, it becomes another factor on top of everything. Here out towards Reading, you've got 2/10 of an inch. Towards Allentown, a tenth or so. Down here, down south of Philadelphia, here could be some heavier sleet down here into Wilmington area. So again, temperature is very critical here when you're talking snow, sleet, and freezing rain like this, because a degree either way, even in the upper atmosphere, a degree or so either way changes these numbers. I'm going to be on the road. I won't be back until late this evening. So maybe I will update this thing on the general forecast map tonight around 7:30 or so, 8 o'clock. But if I don't add another video, then I'm pretty much sticking to what I said. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe.